Oh, what do we got here? Oh my goodness. Have you guys seen these things? They're called the rinse kits. Spray it and wash it. We caught it at Costco. You can get it for $149.99, you guys. Like, unbelievable. That's a good deal. Especially like us nomads. Like, okay, most nomads have pets. So I have 2 dogs. So things get dirty. And you just need a little bit more than a bottle of water. And you know, not everybody can afford those hot water tankless tanks. Yada yada yada. So check this sucker out, and check this baby out. Oh my goodness, it's almost like having your garden hose in the wilderness. Can't complain on those. So you can use 12-volt chargers for us that are on solar, and us on the 12-volt systems. You know, when you're in the house visiting, or you're renting somewhere, or you want to just plug it in normally, then you got this option. Here we got jet. We got shower. Oh, we got mist. Oh. For when we're hot in the desert. When you're stinky, you got a shower. Nice little center one. That's good for the dogs, man, right there. Look at that.